Hello everyone, my name is Dennis and today we're gonna talk about cruises company. And actually I decided to make this video because Scott Lewis asked me to do this and he wrote in the comments, can you review the stock CCL? It may be a good value or airline stock. And actually I will make a quick review of Norwegian cruises, Royal Caribbean cruises and Carnival Corporation. And we will start from Carnival because I think it is one of the most healthy stock in cruises because they have a really low debt to equity, and that is everything. Okay, income 3 billion, sales 20 billion, cash to shares only 50 cents, and it is not really high. Dividends 20%, but it is a trailing 12 month. I think they wouldn't pay it. And we have a nice road from 70 to 11, and now we have forward price to earnings 2. The same situation in Royal Caribbean cruises, forward price to earnings 2, no money in cash, high dividends, 1.8 billion in income. And the last one, it is a Norwegian cruises. They have more debt, like a Royal, close to 0.7, and Norwegian has 0.9. And I will check 10K report of Carnival, and here you can see that S&P 500 even without a crisis much better than Carnival. And the first idea, why do you need to buy a Carnival if it sucks without Corona something? They have a nice trend from 2015 to 2019, revenue grow, and we can remember that they have net income only $3 billion. And here we can see how they spend that their money, operating cost and expenses, commissions, transportation and other 2.7 billion, on board and other 2.1, payroll and related 2.2, fuel 1.5, food $1 billion, other ship operating 2.9. Okay, and now we can imagine that their boats will stay for like 1 year, and they will spend how much? Maybe 1 billion on board, maybe 1 billion to payroll and related, maybe some money for fuel, but we wouldn't count it, and maybe 2 billions in ship operating, because if they wouldn't do this, their ship will come to a piece of shit really quick. And we can predict that they will spend around $4, maybe $5 billion in this year, and their revenue will be quite close to 0. And we need to check assets, current assets, cash and cash equivalents, $500 million. And we can count on trade and other receivables, inventories, prepared expenses and other. And actually it is around $2 billion. Some of you will say that they have really lots of boats or properties for $38 billion, but I think it is impossible to sell it because you can't make money on boats, and you really need lots of money just to keep it in a good condition. And this all about can they survive this 1 year up to vaccine. And I actually think that they can survive it because they have some kind of assets, and maybe they can sell some boats and to rebuild it to something else. And actually maybe they will get some government help because we have like 104,000 employees, and it is really bad if they will go to streets and do something. If you would like to participate some kind in Carnival Corporation or some other cruises stocks, I really suggest you not to buying it because it is too dangerous. Maybe you can sell some options like for $7 or $8. Check it via your broker, and you really can make maybe 20% for a year. And if that stock go down to like 0, you will lose only like $8, not 11. I think it will be better, and I really don't think that they will recover fast, because if you're an old guy, and it is strange that everybody will go to cruises like, oh, never mind, it's nothing happened. I think they will get a long-term crisis for maybe more than 1 year. If you like that video, please push like button and subscribe button. You definitely need to make some comments, and feel free to ask me anything about the stocks, because I really like to analyze some stuff. And the next video will be about airline stocks, because we have something interesting in American Airline Group. See you later. Bye bye.